Just a little day fishing over here. It's gotten a little hot. Haven't got any bites, but if we don't get any more bites or anything, we're gonna go to the other side of the lake, which is all the way over there, right over there. Yeah, so just enjoying the days off from welding. My girl got hot, so she turned the truck on. Yep. Last time when we went over there on the other side, we actually caught a catfish. So we're gonna go ahead and try it since we're not getting anything here. We actually caught a catfish on the other side right over there too. But there hasn't been any biting or nothing, so we're gonna go ahead and go. It's hot and I'm over here in Oklahoma. This is a Lake Kanawha or something like that in Oklahoma. It's nice. A lot of people everywhere, people swimming and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and go on the other side. Bye. Go to the other side because we're not getting any bites. So we made it to the other spot. We caught a fish here right around this spot, the same area right here, all in here. So hope I get something. I caught something, guys. Oh, nice. Oh. Oh, that's a nice size. It's a nice catfish.